Welcome aboard to the 8th episode. Last time we picked up our new-to-us John boat that we will be putting a jet ski motor in. This will be a long-term project. But in the short term we had the first start of the JS550, which is super awesome. Enjoy episode 8. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for all the support thus far. Would it be a normal video without opening Amazon packages?
I don't know if anyone's ever been sponsored by Amazon. And I have like 2 subscribers. And Amazon's a crazy company and very controversial. But I am 100% addicted. We have PVC infused water lines with the American flag in them. What the hell? We have next T-fittings for the water flush kit shit. We have straight 1/4-inch barb in case I run out of fuel line or I need to fix something on the lake. We have acne cream. You don't need to see that. And last but not least, there's no way that I fucking bought this by accident. Or it's way too small. Maybe not. My doctor yelled at me for not wearing a respirator. He essentially said I'm fucking stupid. So, we now officially have a respirator at the garage. I don't always agree with it. But, all you concerned idiots out there, I now have a respirator. To do the flush kit, or if you want to run it on land with a hose, this is what I came up with. I haven't even tried it, but I'm filming this because I believe I'm correct. 3/8 water line. You should, I'm assuming if you're working on vintage jet skis, you're going to need water line anyways. So you might as well just buy a roll of it. It's cheap. T-fittings. This is 3/8 barb to GHT. In most jet ski cases, other companies use the female end of this and have to put a male plug in. I couldn't find any male plugs on Amazon, and that's all I use. So I use female plugs. These 3 things will give you the flush kit, and you install them right here. Right here. This is where you put them in. You'll be good to go. Step 1. Cut a little piece of tube and put the T like this. Step number 2, attach it right here. This line will go around back to the jet pump. Well, the jet pump goes in. This line will go around back. And this will be where your hose hookup is. This should be what it looks like. Off the head, into a T. The stem of the T is your hose hookup. I'll find out in a couple days. So maybe wait till my video's over or my next video before you try this. I'm not sure if it works or not, but it's alright. So now we're going to take this exhaust elbow off, replace this line, which is the water from the jet goes up into here, goes into the exhaust manifold. Then it does its thing through the head, comes out of here, and goes to the bottom of this exhaust. And then it shoots out of the exhaust a little bit. So let's take this off, replace those 2 lines, and we should be good to go. Start time lapse. So you have your exhaust manifold. Comes up here, goes out around, and comes down here. This goes to the outside. They call this the pisser. I hate that name for it. I mean, it's just weird. Then you have down here, there is a white hose. It's almost like fiberglass. That comes from the jet. That goes into the block. Goes all the way through the block. Comes out of the top of the head. This is where you can fill your hose for if you're running it on land. Then this hose, there's a T here, comes all the way down, and then it goes into the bottom of the exhaust. There is a barb. Maybe you can see it. Then the exhaust will come out here into the water box, and then it goes all the way back out that way. So all the water is done, hopefully. I believe so, possibly. So that looks done. Fuel lines are done, primer's done. We did get it to run yesterday a little bit. So that should be good. Making progress. It would be nicer if I didn't have to use these tees, but I'm trying to do this budget friendly as possible. And this is stuff I could find on Amazon for cheap, so it is what it is at this point. I have to do that. This also leaks, so I gotta figure that out, but it's full of fuel. So I think next we're gonna work on the exhaust here. I think this gets pushed back as much as it can. This gets connected to there, and then it goes out the back. No unboxing today. Already unboxed. But this is what we bought. Silicone hose. Hee. Stainless steel pipe. Hee. We're going to cut this down to size. We're going to cut that down to size. And then we are going to be good to go. I don't know if this will work, but that's my idea to replace that rubber hose. Looks like it should. To be determined. But I think I'm going to wait for the next episode to get it running again and actually start fine-tuning it. I looked everywhere for the gas tank at all different locations. We're just going to have to get a new one. But I think in the next episode, we're going to push this to the side over there. And then we're going to bring the jet boat in. Start talking about that, planning it, doing some cardboard-aided design. Thank you for watching this episode. Like, comment, whatever the hell you're supposed to do. Thank you, and have a good day.